How to fix QuickBooks error 15103. 5 quick solutions. Solution 1. Clean install QuickBooks. Step 1. Click on the Windows Start button, search Control Panel, and open it. Step 2. Now, select the programs and features. Step 3. From the list of programs, locate your version of the QuickBooks. Step 4. Select the QuickBooks version you want to uninstall and click on Uninstall/Change. Step 5. Now, you need to reinstall QuickBooks again. To do this, open QuickBooks Tool Hub. Step 6. If you don't have QuickBooks Tool Hub, download and install it from the official website. Step 7. In Tool Hub, go to the Installation Issues tab and select Clean Install Tool. Step 8. Next, select the QuickBooks desktop version that was installed previously. Step 9. After running Clean Install Tool, proceed with a fresh QuickBooks installation. Solution 2. Download the latest QuickBooks updates. Step 1. Open QuickBooks Desktop and go to Help. Step 2. Then select Update QuickBooks Desktop. Step 3. In the Overview tab, click on Update Now. Step 4. If you wish to turn on automatic updates, go to Options and select the Automatic Update option. Step 5. When you're ready, go to Update Now, select the Reset Update checkbox and click on Get Updates. Step 6. QuickBooks will start downloading the updates. Step 7. Once the download is complete, QuickBooks will ask you to restart. Click OK on the pop-up. Solution 3. Run QuickBooks Tool Hub. Step 1. Close QuickBooks and open QuickBooks Tool Hub. Step 2. If you don't have it, download and install it from the official website. Step 3. In the Tool Hub, select Company File Issues. Step 4. Then select Quick Fix My File and it'll take some time to fix the issue. Step 5. Click OK once done. Step 6. Next, go to Program Problems tab and select QuickBooks Program Diagnostic Tool and it'll take some time to fix the issue. Step 7. Once done, open QuickBooks and see if the issue is resolved. Step 8. If the error persists, go to the Company File Issues tab. Step 9. Then select Run QuickBooks File Doctor and it'll automatically configure firewall and antivirus settings. Solution 4. Add QuickBooks as trusted site. Step 1. Click on the Windows Start button and search Internet Options. Step 2. Open Internet Options and go to the Security tab. Step 3. Select Trusted Sites and click on Sites. Step 4. In the Add this website to the zone field, enter Intuit site and click on Add. Step 5. Now, uncheck the Require Server Verification for all sites in this zone. Step 6. Then click on Close. Step 7. Uncheck Enable Protected Mode. Step 8. Then click OK and apply to save the changes. Solution 5. Create firewall exceptions for QuickBooks. Step 1. Click on the Windows Start menu. Step 2. Enter Windows Firewall in the search bar and open it. Step 3. Go to Advanced Settings, select Inbound Rule and then New Rule. Step 4. Now, select Program and then Next. Step 5. Select this program path and then click Browse. Step 6. Find and select QuickBooks executable files, then click Next. Step 7. Select Allow the connection and then click Next. Step 8. If prompted, make sure that all profiles are marked and click Next. Step 9. Create a rule, name it, and then click on Finish. Step 10. Now, repeat the same steps for outbound rules. For more such help and information, visit us at www.mwjconsultancy.com or call us at +1 87746900298 +44 800 0548150.